for the hay? And I said, yeah. He says, well, hay's gone up to $6 a bale. And I right away, I knew what he was going to say. So then we went from $500 to $1,500, and we only used it for 10 times.
Yeah.
And I said, Steve, it ain't happening. He said, what? I said, no, we're not going to use it.
Yeah.
He said, well, why? And I said, well, because that's too much money for the amount of time. And he could have had the money in his pocket. It was a done deal. But
he's not going to make that much.
No. No.
It's crazy.
Now that's a wicked looking machine right there. Yeah, fucking thing.
Who's that?
That's Scott.
Oh.
You want to see something fly? Watch that fucking thing fly.
Is that an elliptical one too?
Oh yeah, they all fly with elliptical.
I don't like those. They all fly with elliptical.
They're still waving us over.